The birthday list begins with Jump, Jump, Jumperoo, Waylon John Humble. You can tell, when he gets into that thing, I bet it is non-stop action right there. I remember when my kids had that Waylon. A very happy first birthday to you with love from Nana. And Waylon is jumping around in Weir.
All right. In Frontenac, Adeline Richardson is 7 strong this year. Looks like she's ready to go to a Hawaiian pate.
In Pittsburgh, Landon Profit. Oh, I'm guessing that was a gapper. That's got two-bagger written all over it right there. Look at him locked in. Tell you what, if I'm on the mound and I see that staring at me, I'm thinking about intentionally walking you, man. Especially when you're cocking the leg up like that. I'm afraid it's coming right back at me. Landon, a great stance and a happy 12th birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right. And the birthday list goes on. We've got Fonda Jackson celebrating in Columbus today. Herschel Meister turns 82 in Carthage. And Lance King, happy birthday to you in the bus.
I got to take the fall on this last one. I think yesterday I called David and Shani. I think I called them Hunley. That's my fault. It's Henley. David and Shani, I apologize. I do want to wish you a happy 49th anniversary once again. And once again, that is my bad. A very, very happy anniversary. 49 years, that is amazing. And the Henleys, they are in Joplin. Happy birthday and